Good morning friends, I am Dr. Shilpi Saxena. In my first video, we discussed what is technical communication and today we will discuss what are the features of technical communication. So before discussing the features of technical communication, let's have a view what technical communication is. As we have discussed, technical communication is a way to communicate a specific message to a specific audience with a specific purpose. For example, a business proposal, a scientific report, research paper, etc. So now we will discuss what are the features of technical writing or technical communication. So let's have a view of the features of technical communication. The first feature of technical communication is related to the language part. As we know, the language of technical communication should be direct, straight and to the point. Technical communication is always structured, it developed systematically, it has familiar and easy words. Sentences of technical communication should be clear and should be of moderate length. It should neither be too long or too short. We should use active voice in technical communication. We should avoid division expression. And technical communication, there should be logical division of paragraph. All the paragraphs should be developed logically in technical communication. Now the next topic is difference between general and technical communication. As we know, general communication can be understood by everyone and technical communication can be understood by some specific person. So we will discuss the difference point-wise. The first is general communication has general content and technical communication has technical content. As the content will be technical or general, so it will affect the vocabulary part also. So technical communication has technical vocabulary and general communication has general vocabulary. General communication is always informal in style. The writer is not supposed to follow a particular format while writing general communication. General communication may or may not be factual. General communication may have subjective as well as objective approach. General communication is not always structured. It may or may not involve graphics. On the other hand, technical communication has always technical content, specialized vocabulary. It is always formal in style. Technical communication will always be based on facts. We cannot use our imagination, emotions and feeling in technical communication. Technical communication will always be in objective approach. Objective approach means when the writer keeps his emotions, opinion, perception away and writes the incident as it is, writes the result as it is. In general communication, writer may involve his feelings and perception. Technical communication develops in a logical manner. It always is structured. It may involve graphics, but in general communication, graphics are not used. Now we will discuss use of technical writing. Technical writings are used for instructions, guidelines. For example, when we open an instruction manual and read it and we find how to use it, it is technical writing. Lab reports are another example of technical writing. The main purpose of lab report is to explain the occurrence in lab so that others will be able to gain information. A very common example of technical communication is driving directions. It can be also an example of technical communication. So these are some of the examples of technical communication. So this is a brief introduction of technical communication, its features, how it is different from general communication and its uses. And if you want to become a technical writer and if you want to develop your technical writing skills, you need to practice. But whenever you are writing something, just try to imagine what you are writing, whether it has some specific purpose, what kind of vocabulary you are using, and one more very important point, what is the approach you are adopting. whether it is subjective approach or objective approach. If you are writing the things as it is, if your writing is based on facts, it is of course a technical writing. Thank you. Have a nice day.